Many people making mistakes when they fill up the AdBlue because they don't know how to fill up the right way. So basically we start the car, then by pressing the home button, we're going down menu, we're going down by these buttons, we're going down to service, then we're going to AdBlue, and that's how much it shows me now. Try to not go under that line. So about when you have that range, so try to top up at that range approximately. So the engine must be running, and then here I have Mercedes-Benz AdBlue. I'm not buying this cheap AdBlue. I'm just buying from Mercedes-Benz because it costs about £20 and it will last for 1 year probably. And then you need someone who will keep an eye on that gauge. So that's the gauge. When you top up there, somebody need to watch on that gauge, and it will update in live immediately. I will show you now. Actually, I just noticed when I'm standing here, I'll be able to see my gauge from here through. So you maybe be able to do it on your own. But I have my assistant here. So we start to put in now. It goes in quite slowly. And now we should be able to see on a gauge as well. It goes in, but it goes in very, very slow. David, show here. Look, it goes in, and it should update in there as well at the same time. Can you see it's going up now? I can see it from here. So that's how you do. Now I will stop for a second, show how much we have here. So I put about half of that, so that's 10 liter. So I put half, about 5 liter in, and we will wait a little bit, make sure it's registered. So see, it still went up a little bit. We're gonna wait for a little. I think it should be nearly full with these 10 liters. Okay, let's carry on. And as we carry on, see, I'm put it in, but it does not show on a gauge yet. It does takes time a little bit to register. So make sure you not overfill. It's better to underfill a little bit. Okay, I will wait again. Show how much we have here. David, show. That's how much left. So probably about, don't know, 2.5 liters ish. We will wait a little bit. Make sure it's registered in there. It does take a time. You can pause. So we carry on. And as we carry on, keep going up. I think that should be full when I use all that. So that's it. I used all my 10 liters. Show David. I used all my 10 liters, and it's keep going up. It just jumped up a little bit. I saw it, but that's enough. That's fine. And then when it gets to that nearly red line, I will top up again another 10 liters. Don't have to be full.